Global supply of high performance refractory and specialty metals, presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Welcome everyone. In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, innovation begins with materials that can perform under the most demanding conditions. Whether it is an aircraft flying at high altitude, a semiconductor chip powering advanced electronics, a nuclear reactor generating clean energy, or a vacuum furnace operating at extremely high temperatures. The success of these applications depends on one essential factor: high performance refractory and specialty metals. These advanced materials are not ordinary engineering metals. They are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, high pressures, corrosive environments, and demanding mechanical loads while maintaining outstanding performance and reliability. They enable industries to manufacture stronger, lighter, safer, and more efficient products that shape the future of modern engineering. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, your trusted global partner for the supply of premium refractory metals, specialty alloys, and precision engineered metal products. At URGS International, we understand that today's industries require much more than a supplier. They need a dependable engineering partner capable of providing world-class materials, technical support, competitive commercial solutions, and reliable global logistics. Through our trusted network of internationally recognized manufacturing partners across the globe, we deliver high-quality refractory metals and specialty alloys to customers operating in some of the world's most demanding industries. Whether you are an aerospace manufacturer, semiconductor producer, defense contractor, research institution, oil and gas company, medical equipment manufacturer, or industrial engineering organization, URGS is committed to supporting your material requirements with professionalism, reliability, and engineering excellence. Why refractory metals matter? Before exploring our product portfolio, let us first understand why refractory metals have become indispensable to modern industry. Unlike conventional engineering metals, refractory metals possess extraordinarily high melting points, exceptional mechanical strength, excellent wear resistance, outstanding corrosion resistance, remarkable thermal conductivity, and excellent dimensional stability. These unique characteristics make them the preferred materials for applications where ordinary metals simply cannot survive. Today, industries are continuously demanding higher efficiency, improved reliability, longer equipment life, reduced maintenance costs, and superior operational performance. As manufacturing technologies continue to evolve, the demand for advanced materials capable of performing under increasingly harsh environments continues to grow. This global demand has positioned refractory metals among the most valuable engineering materials in the world. From space exploration and defense technologies to electric vehicles, renewable energy, semiconductor manufacturing, industrial furnaces, additive manufacturing, medical implants, and advanced research laboratories, refractory metals are enabling the next generation of technological innovation. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we proudly contribute to this transformation by connecting customers with premium quality refractory materials sourced from trusted manufacturing partners worldwide. Now, about URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. URGS International is committed to delivering comprehensive engineering material solutions that combine international quality standards with responsive customer support and dependable global sourcing capabilities. Rather than simply supplying materials, we focus on understanding each customer's technical requirements and providing the most appropriate material solution for their specific application. Our objective is to become a long-term engineering partner by offering products that deliver outstanding quality, reliability, and value. With an extensive international sourcing network, we are capable of supplying a broad range of refractory metals, specialty alloys, fabricated components, powders, wires, rods, sheets, plates, tubes, crucibles, sputtering targets, and precision engineered products. Every inquiry is handled with professionalism, technical understanding, and a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. Whether your requirement involves prototype development, laboratory research, OEM manufacturing, maintenance projects, or large-scale industrial production, our experienced team works diligently to identify the right material solution. Our global supply network. One of the greatest strengths of URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is our global sourcing capability. Industrial customers today expect reliable supply chains, consistent product quality, competitive pricing, and timely delivery. Meeting these expectations require more than inventory. It requires strong international partnerships. Through our trusted manufacturing partners located across multiple countries, URGS International provides customers with access to premium refractory metals manufactured according to internationally recognized quality standards. Our global sourcing approach allows us to provide reliable material availability, international manufacturing expertise, competitive commercial solutions, flexible order quantities, custom manufacturing capabilities, precision engineered fabricated product components, worldwide logistics support, responsive technical assistance. This integrated supply model enables customers to reduce procurement risks while ensuring access to high performance materials for critical industrial applications. Regardless of project size, URGS International remains committed to delivering dependable solutions that meet both technical and commercial expectations. Our commitment to quality. Quality is never an accident. It is achieved through careful supplier selection, strict manufacturing controls, engineering expertise, and continuous customer focus. At URGS International, quality forms the foundation of everything we do. Our partner manufacturers utilize advanced production technologies, modern quality management systems, precision machining capabilities, and rigorous inspection procedures to ensure consistent product performance. Every material supplied is selected to meet customer specifications and international quality expectations. This commitment enables customers to operate with greater confidence, improve reliability, and reduce operational risks. For industries where failure is simply not an option, selecting the right material supplier becomes a strategic business decision. That is precisely where URGS International delivers exceptional value. Serving industries around the world. The applications of refractory metals continue expanding as industries pursue greater efficiency and innovation. URGS International supports customers across a wide range of sectors including aerospace and defense, nuclear and energy, semiconductor and electronics, heat treatment and vacuum furnace manufacturing, metallurgy and foundries, chemical processing, medical and healthcare, oil and gas, research and development, additive manufacturing and 3D printing. Each of these industries presents unique engineering challenges. Each requires materials capable of delivering exceptional performance under demanding operating conditions. By combining global sourcing with technical expertise, URGS International helps customers select the most suitable materials for their specific applications. Transition to part 2. Now that we have explored the importance of refractory metals, the global capabilities of URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, and our commitment to quality, now it is time to look closely at one of the world's most remarkable engineering materials, tungsten. In the next part, we will explore the complete tungsten product portfolio offered by URGS International, its outstanding properties, industrial applications, and how these advanced materials contribute to the success of industries worldwide. Please like and subscribe our channel for part 2 and other parts also, and other contents also. Thank you.